Mother of four who was deported to Mexico has a new hope of once again seeing her children.
An immigration court will reconsider the case of Maribel Trujillo-Diaz. Local 12's Larry Davis is live in Hamilton with new information on this case. Larry.
Hi, Paula. Well, that immigration court has apparently had second thoughts because it could have very simply rejected that appeals court ruling on the matter. But now a family of six continues to hold out hope that it will be reunited someday. It's been a little over a year since Maribel Trujillo-Diaz has been separated from her husband and four children. Her deportation back to Mexico angered many. Earlier this year, a federal appeals court ruled that an immigration court did not take into serious consideration the threat to her safety in Mexico. Now, the immigration court will reconsider its decision in September.
We're hoping that the immigration folks will allow her to come back to the United States to participate in her own trial. You would think that that would be part of everybody's right to participate in their own trial.
Father Mike Pucke is retired now from St. Julie Billiart Church in Hamilton, where Maribel Trujillo-Diaz attended with her family. He has spoken with her on occasion, and he says she's doing the best she can without her husband and children, who range in age from 5 to 15.
For these kids, it's been very difficult. They do have an opportunity to speak by telephone to their mother most every day. On occasion, they can do some kind of visual thing, a Skype or something like that.
Father Mike says family separations are always tough. The Trujillo-Diaz separation reminds him of a story about a child being told that while their mother may not be there with them, God was.
They want a mother with skin on. And despite the fact that they can speak to her, despite the fact that every once in a while they can see her, it's not the same.
While there is now new hope for Maribel and her family, for now she is just grateful her children are safe.
Maribel is willing to sacrifice the presence of her kids because she knows that it's better for her kids to be in a safe place, as they are here in Fairfield.
So, Paula, we have a mother still in Mexico having been deported. We have a father who's trying to make ends meet by working and four children at home. The St. Julie Billiart family here is continuing to minister to that family in hopes that they will be one someday. Live in Hamilton, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Paula, back to you.
Thank you, Larry. And supporters of Maribel Trujillo-Diaz are hoping that if she is allowed to take part in her deportation hearing this fall, that she will be allowed to meet with her family.